And Madam Speaker, looking at the debate and the importance of this bill, Madam Speaker, I move that is the time that we go to the committee stage, Madam Speaker.
I now put a question that the Anti-Homosexual Bill 2023 be read for the second time. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it. Members, honorable members, there is a motion. And I am asking, is the motion seconded?
I'm in agreement with the proposal by the committee, and especially the justification of consistency and clarity, and the need to address the principle of legality, which was disturbing my brother, the homosexualist. Chair, let me clarify this. In the committee, we learned two terms. There's a difference between a homosexual and a homosexualist. Honorable Fox is a homosexualist. A homosexualist is the one who protects, promotes, defends. And we agreed that he is not offended to call him a homosexualist.
Basalirwa has described the Honorable Fox Odoi as a homosexualist and not a homosexual. Does he have evidence that he's not? Is he in order, therefore?
Information. No.
We in the penal code, it talks about death. The Bible is talking about death, but we are now degrading it to years or to life imprisonment. I need to be helped. How do we harmonize?
We should give a sanction that is prohibitive. 7 years, I will go for 7 years and come out. Honorable Asumani, can we hear from Asumani?
The punishment for an attempt cannot be the same as the punishment for the act itself. That's why the proviso is that the attempt is 7 years and the act is life. That's how it is even in the penal code, where they provide for unnatural offenses.
Is obsolete. We are saying the penal code is obsolete.
The proposal to allow a person charged with an offense under the section to mitigate the sentence by adducing evidence of genetic disorders is to recognize evidence from Uganda Medical Association, which explained that a small number of people may have homosexual tendencies because of abnormalities in their genes or biological disorders.